Hello guys, you're welcome to MAGVIVI Creations channel. Just want to let you know about our shirt masterclass going on. Stay tuned and subscribe to this channel. Thanks. Shirts has been with us and shirts will remain with us. Hi, I'm Vivian, the creative director of MAGVIVI Creation. I want to teach you this one outfit that is suitable for any event, be it a corporate event, social event, even religious events. Shirts. You won't go wrong with shirts. I will teach you in a clear and simplified methods how to make shirts, be it for children or for adults. I will take you through the process of shirt making, from taking body measurements, drafting, cutting, and perfect finishing. I will teach you how to create designs on shirts to achieve that designer shirt look. I will teach you how to make proper collars, professional sleeve placket and cuff, the visible and concealed button plackets, different colored panel shirts, patchwork on shirts, and lots more. Even if you're a novice in sewing, don't worry. We have our beginner sewing class that will take you from a total novice to a knowledgeable person in sewing. I also have a free shirt pattern drafting class for you. So to be part of this class, just hit on the link and you'll be there. I would love to see you in class, and I know you will not want to miss this beautiful opportunity. See you in class. Like and subscribe to this channel for free videos. Bye.